Welcome to Mati's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a very traditional Hayagriva Maddi. These are the ingredients we need to make this tasty Hayagriva Maddi. In a pressure pan, add 1 cup of chana dal. Wash them thoroughly and add 2 cups of water to it. Pressure cook the dal for 4 to 5 whistles. The dal is now cooked and it is soft. Drain the excess water from the dal and mash them with a masher or with a big ladle. I like the dal coarsely mashed. The dal is now mashed and is ready. Set them aside. In a heavy bottomed pan, add 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Add 1.5 cups of water to the jaggery powder and let them begin to boil. Let the jaggery dissolve in water completely and comes to a boiling stage. The jaggery I have used is pure and hence I have not filtered them. Add the mashed chana dal to the jaggery that is boiling and stir them continuously. If you'd like, you can also mash the chana dal very fine. I like to see some bits of the whole chana dal in my Hayagriva Maddi and hence I have coarsely mashed them. Let the jaggery and the chana dal combine together and cook. In this stage, add 1/4 cup of grated coconut to it and combine all of them together. Instead of fresh coconut, you can also use grated copra or dry coconut to make this recipe. Cook them for 4 to 5 minutes in a medium-low flame until they all begin to combine together and get thickened. In this stage, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a big pinch of crushed cloves. You can also add a small pinch of edible camphor if you are adding them. Now begin to add ghee to the Hayagriva Maddi. I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee and let the ghee melt and combine with the dal, jaggery and coconut. This is completely different from the chana dal payasam where we use fresh coconut milk to make the payasam. While that is getting thickened, let's make the tempering for the Hayagriva Maddi. Heat ghee and once it is hot, add cashews and a teaspoon of raisins. You can increase or decrease the quantity of cashews and raisins based upon your taste. Now we can see the Hayagriva Maddi is completely getting thickened and has come to a halwa-like consistency. Transfer the roasted cashews, raisins along with the ghee to the Hayagriva Maddi. Combine all of them together. We can switch off the flame while it is still in this loose consistency. The Hayagriva Maddi will begin to thicken as it cools down. We can see the beautiful glaze from the ghee and how soft the chana dal is cooked. A very divine and a tasty Udupi special Hayagriva Maddi is now ready. Serve it to the god and enjoy it with your family. Udupi Hayagriva Maddi is now ready. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to the channel.